scientist. But in an atmosphere which was so hopeless, and at the age of 17, you hear जाएं तो जाएं to तंग आ चुके हैं कश्मीर से तेरी दुनिया में दिन नहीं. It was horrible to grow up in that period. But then came the progressive writers, and the greatest song I ever know is "Hamre Dil Rahi."
Wow.
That was delight. Thereafter came a kahani Yor Tufan ki, Yusufa Kabhi To Hogi, many more. But that started the thinking among the young people that there is a world outside this sorrow. Socialism, I was a student of science, and at that time, politics was supposed to be sin. We never indulged in any political things. That was left to the art students. But at the same time, Saharudyanvi and other poets implanted the thought, Aurat ne janam diya mattu, Chakle, a lot of other things. So I got interested in socialism. Then I left Pakistan at the age of 19 and came to England. That was an intensive period, but I didn't have much time to read. It was just to survive was the most difficult thing. Later on, I moved to Sweden, and there I got entered in the university and studied philosophies, social anthropology, and ethology, and became interested in socialism. The more I read, the more curious I became that all the great writers on socialism, Karl Marx, Engels, Inaba, Fayez, Sahib, who wrote about wage earners, laborers, actually have never worked themselves. They have never labored or earned their living as a laborer. So what they were writing was simply theory. They didn't know, they thought they knew, but they did not. So, at the same time, those who were wage earners, they did not have the instruments like social anthropology or biology to make the measurements and construct an infrastructure. So I decided to do something very special. I said, I will be a laborer. I gave up my job, initially for 5 years, and started working as a taxi driver. Those 5 years became 39 years. I've driven taxi, despite my degrees. Why? Why taxi driver? That's the only job I know that